Today I'm taking a look at this GoPro dual battery charger with the Enduro batteries. Pretty much the big revision here is the Enduro batteries, which are special. They claim to work in colder temperatures and everything else. I replaced all of my blue batteries, the originals, from around 2 years ago because they were starting to plump up or get a little worrisome in their condition. So in this case, Enduro, I feel like I'm gonna have better luck with this battery compared to the original. It's a little bit more expensive, but besides that, yeah. This works with the Hero 9 and Hero 10 Black. Tab on the bottom of the box to easily open it, which is nice. First, we've got the USB cable. It is not anything that would give you good data rates, most likely, considering it's white. Usually USB 3 is blue. It has a logo on the cable, which is actually nice so that I can keep them consistent with all the ton of other cables that I have. Okay, this new charger with the Enduro batteries looks exactly the same as the original one that I had. The only visual difference I've noticed with Enduros obviously is the white plastic instead of the blue plastic. They do have the same milliamp hour rating as the originals. I do have another one of these Enduro batteries, so I have been using it quite a bit now, and it's been fine. I haven't noticed any issues. I do think it lasts a little bit longer. It doesn't get as hot as the original battery. It came with 20% charge on the battery, which honestly seems a little bit low, but I do look at the date on these and it says 2021. So with this dual charger, you're going to need some type of USB based power source that's 5 volts. In this case, I've got this thing that does measure the power going in as well, which is nice. Now we've got the light going. That means it is charging. Currently 1.9 amps. So that's pretty consistent. It's around 2 amps now. I would have expected it to pull more power. 2.1 amps. It's pulling 10.9 watts over 2 batteries. What I can also do is try a different cable. I'm going to do a USB-C to USB-C. Obviously this cable is not included in the kit. Now it's pulling 3 amps at 15.6 watts. So this charger is capable of more, but you need the right power source, you need the right cable to make use of that additional charge capability. So I'm not sure this charger really does 2 batteries at the same time. Now it went all the way back up to 3 amps. 15.6 watts for a second. Now it does notice the other battery is placed in there and then it adjusts itself for a second. I'm guessing these are serial, so it's going to do one and then go over to the next one. GoPro Enduro 2 battery charger kit seems to work just fine. I don't notice any issues with it. If you already purchased a charger with the original blue color batteries, there really isn't a reason to buy this one as well. But if you do not have it, it seems like a good option. Anyways, I'm Scott Photography Bonds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.